Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and in this episode, well, you asked for it. Last week I asked if you all wanted to see an actual handcuff knot, and here it is. We're learning how to tie a Prusik knot handcuff, also known as the Botswain handcuff. And also don't forget, if you want to support the channel directly and get exclusive content, please feel free to check out my Patreon page. So getting right on into it with our piece of paracord, I'm using about 4 feet or about 122 centimeters. And you're going to find the midpoint and form a cow hitch over your finger with the running ends coming out up top. Then from there, you're going to bring the cords forward and wrap it around a second time. Notice the second wrap is going to lay in between the first set of cords. Pass the running ends through the loop once more and then bring the cords downwards and cinch up the knot. We've now made a Prusik knot. From here, separate the running ends to their respective sides. Make a loop with the right strand and then pass it through the Prusik knot from the right to the left. Do the same with the left strand, make a loop and then pass it through the knot as well. After both strands have been passed through, you're going to cinch up the Prusik knot and work all the slack out and tighten it down as much as you can. The tighter it is, the more effective the handcuff will be. With that done, we've formed our handcuffs, and to use them, you simply slip them over the wrists of the person being cuffed. And to further secure the cuffs, you can tie a wreath knot with the running ends. Do this by tying an overhand knot with the right strand over the left, cinch it up slightly, and then tie another overhand knot with the left strand over the right, then tighten up. Now the reason why the Prusik knot is great for these handcuffs is due to the fact that if you try to struggle or pull your hands apart to loosen it, the knot actually gets tighter, preventing itself from loosening. Also, ideally, you would secure the assailant with their hands behind their back to prevent them from using their teeth or anything to loosen or untie the knot. So there we have it, Weavers, a handcuff knot for, well, whatever reason you may need it for. There does exist a simpler handcuff knot, but I do feel this one is superior. So a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters for making a video like this possible. If you want access to exclusive content and the Weavers of Eternity Discord and want to support the channel directly, you can do so by checking out my Patreon page. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support the channel by liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. If you enjoyed the content here, please feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.